How to download InShot on a laptop, Windows 10, or Windows 11. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to download and install InShot on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, open your preferred web browser and search for InShot. Open the official InShot website to verify whether a Windows version is available. Next, open the Start menu on your laptop or PC and search for Microsoft Store. Launch the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type InShot and press Enter. If InShot appears in the search results, click Get or Install to begin downloading and installing the app. Wait for the installation to finish. If you can't find InShot in the Microsoft Store, don't worry. It may not be available for Windows in your region, or the developer may no longer distribute it through the Microsoft Store. In that case, return to the official InShot website to check whether a Windows version is available or if the developer provides another official download method for your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Start menu, search for InShot, and launch the app. You can now start editing your videos on your Windows laptop. And that's it. That's how you can download and install InShot on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Windows tips and video editing tutorials.